video is to show you how to eat good on a budget. I took ramen noodles and turned it into cuisine, honey. Stick around, watch this video, and see just how I did it. Okay, I have my meat in here. I'm getting ready to drop my seasoning in. This is garlic, onion, Cajun, salt, and pepper. I'm gonna let this cook down some more and mix in. Alright, next you see me adding is the red onion. I'm gonna put these in here, mix it in really well. Next, I'm gonna add in my tomatoes. The tomatoes is just going to give this meat a very good flavor. Now, if you don't like tomatoes, you can definitely skip this step. But I like tomatoes. Okay, I have my green onions, my noodles, and my beef and tomatoes. Let's mix it. Next, you'll see me putting the beef flavor inside of those noodles. Now I'm getting ready to do a mix up and stir all this goodness around. I've added my meat, and then now I am dropping all of my green onions inside. There you have it, hacked ramen noodles.